this. Let's take a look at this. So this is the Waluigi PowerA wireless controller. Pretty cool. This one is the wireless version. It is a rechargeable battery, so you just plug it up to charge it using the cable, which will come inside. Has mappable buttons on the back of them as well too. It has this very cool and very unique Waluigi cover on it. So here it is in person. We're gonna actually unbox this, see what everything it's all about, and see what it's like. So let's jump right on in. So again, I've been using the Pro controller, and this is genuinely one of my favorite controllers of all time, out of all consoles: PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, PC, Cloud from Final Fantasy VII, and Bayonetta. Oh, don't know how on how those were requested. Oh yeah, those are some pretty interesting characters as well too. So yeah, here it is out of the box. Put the box there. Here's some of the accessories. Oh, it gives you a 10-foot USB-C cable. That's awesome. Holy cow. This is a thick cable. Whew. And nice Velcro. But yeah, that is long. But this is how you can charge it. You can also charge and play as well too if you needed to. I'm gonna re-Velcro this if I can. Shouldn't have took it out. There we go. But yeah, that's gonna be a nice 3 meters, 10-foot cable there. And then here's the Waluigi controller. So again, if you're a Waluigi fan, this is a definite must pick up. The thumbsticks look like coins. Same with, and then the D-pad just a solid yellow. It's coming on already. Just trying to pair it. I haven't paired this up, obviously. But yeah, Waluigi written right there on the right side of the controller, and then you have him on your left side. Then you have this sharp yellow on the back here. These programmable buttons. So this gives you somewhat of an advantage whenever you're playing games, especially like Smash Bros. You can program these to be something like different commands that you want easier access to or faster access to. But yeah, that's another button that's there that's not on your traditional controller. Here's the charging port, sync button, and then the reset button. But yeah, everything on your traditional controller. This one has a little bit more weight to it because it's got a battery in it as well too. It weighs about the same as the traditional Pro controller. Again, these products are licensed and official products for Nintendo, so you're getting quality builds out of them as well too. But yeah, comparing these to the Nintendo Switch official controller, feels like the same weight. Thumbsticks feel the PowerA feels lighter. Like I feel like I can move the PowerA controller a little faster, a little more than the other ones. So pretty cool. Yo, Blazin', hello. Good morning. Yeah, that is the PowerA Waluigi controller. Pretty awesome.